Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be trying a DIY carrot hair mask. First, I'm going to show you guys how I blended the carrots to make the mask. Carrots can be used to condition your scalp and promote hair growth because they are rich in vitamin A. Vitamin A can improve blood circulation to your scalp, and this can promote hair growth and make your hair stronger, longer, and thicker. So first, all I did was put 8 baby carrots into a bowl, and then I put them into my magic bullet, and covered them with water. And if you want the hair mask to be thicker and less liquidy, you can add half the water that I added. Now I'm just blending it up and putting it into a bowl. And I just use the carrots in the water, but if you want to, you can add any hair oils or hair conditioners of your choice. And this will also make the mixture thicker and easier to apply to your hair. So I'm starting off with clean hair, and I'm separating my hair into 4 sections, and I'm adding the carrot hair mask onto each section. Now I'm letting the hair mask sit on my hair for 10 minutes, and while the hair mask is in, you can use the pads of your fingers to massage your scalp. So after the hair mask has sat on my hair, I'm washing it out very thoroughly with a lathering shampoo. And you're going to want to make sure that you shampoo the hair mask out really well so that there's no carrot bits in your hair after the hair mask. And after just wetting my hair to get the hair mask out, I noticed that my hair felt really soft and moisturized. So I'm definitely going to be trying this again. And I'm going to do this to my hair once a week for the next month. And I'll come back and tell you guys the results. Let me know down in the comments if you guys have ever tried this hair mask and if you would try it out in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to my channel for more hair tutorials. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!